Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to review my Boxycharm box for April. So I'm just going to review my Boxycharm, and most of the stuff or most of the makeup on my face is all the products which came in the Boxycharm box, and of course whatever was not in there I just used some of my own. So if you want to see how to create this look, just carry on watching the video. And I want to say thank you so much for your love on my last post. It was a little overwhelming. I always get a little overwhelmed when I see the response from my followers, because it just boosts my motivation so much, like boosts my energy so much to create more creative looks. So it's so nice to see you guys are liking my work. It's so much appreciated. It's amazing. It's a really nice feeling. I don't even know how to describe it. It just makes me really happy. So thank you so much for that. And as I said, if you want to see how to create this look, just carry on watching this video. And before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you are already subscribed, make sure you hit that notification bell as well, so next time when I will post a video, you'll get a notification. And I shall see you guys next time. Love you. Bye. Bye. Thank you for watching. Okay guys, I'm going to start with the skincare. However, I'm doing trying something new for the video. I'm just skipping, like making fast forward kind of thing for the steps which are exactly same all the time, to make the videos slightly shorter. So hopefully you guys will be okay with it. It's exactly the same skincare, same brow routine, same products. Nothing has changed so far. I'll only put this with this part of the videos in normal pace if I'm doing something different. So I'm just basically setting up my eyes exactly the way I do it in all the videos. Just for this particular look, I've used the Hard Candy Full Coverage Concealer because I wanted a really opaque, like a really white base for this eye look. Anyway, to create this eye look, I'm going to use my Boxycharm April box, and I'm picking up the eyeliner from Boxycharm box, and this is from brand called Beauty by Dream, and this is in shade Jet Black. And I'm just using this to create the, basically I'm just going to do a graphic eye for this look, and I'm just starting to mark the eyeliner. So basically I'm just right now I'm just tracing the guideline for myself, so I know both eyes are looking same, the both wings are looking perfect, they're not longer or shorter or anything. So this is what I'm doing. The best way to do this technique is take your time, rest your ankle on your table or on your chair. So make sure your elbow is actually rested on a some kind of support. That makes it easier for this process to be done, and do it in small strokes. So I just cleaned up the whole eye off camera, and now I'm just putting a second layer of the concealer just on my lid before I go in with my neon shade. This is only, I'm doing it because I really want neon color to pop up. So you can even apply
apply like a white concealer or any white base. I didn't had a white one, I just had this hard candy one, but it is pretty light for my skin tone, so it was perfect. Now I'm just picking up the bright pink shade from the PUR Cosmetics Festival eyeshadow palette, which also came in my Boxycharm box, and I'm using the brushes from Luxy Beauty. Again, they came into my Boxycharm box, so I'm just using them to fill my lid and apply that pink shade. This particular brush is from Sigma. It's really good. I think it's their lip brush, but it's so flat, it made that particular job, that tiny little filling of a wing, was easy. Okay, for foundation, I've tried something new. This is RCMA VK palette. It's a pro palette because it's all foundations, but it's in all the different shades. I wanted something like this for my kit anyway, so I just got it and I just tried it, and oh my god, I'm absolutely in love with it. I actually did pretty much my whole face with the same palette. I even did the contour from the same palette. It is pretty versatile palette. I like it a lot. It's really good, and it blends so nicely, and it's super creamy, which is amazing. As you can see, I've done the contour from the same palette, and I use most of the products for to blend my makeup. Most of the time I use the beauty blender, unless the brushes I use for my Boxycharm box. For my concealer, I've used Nars cosmetic concealers, and this one is Macadamia, which I'm applying in inner corner and just underneath my wing. And to brighten up the eye, I'm just using the same concealer but in shade Chantilly, which is really like light shade for my skin tone, but it really brighten up the lower area or under eye area. For my T-zone, I'm using the Nars cosmetic concealer again, but this is in shade Macadamia, which I use for my inner corner, and I'm just going to blend these with my beauty blender. To set my face, I've used MERCIER Translucent powder, and I also use the same powder to bake my face as well. As I mentioned many times, these are the concerned areas for me. For my face, I feel like my makeup sometimes comes off more quickly because I like touching my face, so I try to bake as much as possible in that part. For the blush, I use PH Cosmetics Glamour blush palette, and I just mixed a couple of shades, skin tone and the pink tones, to create that blushy pink look for my cheeks. For my lower lash line, I'm just using a green eye pencil. I don't even know which brand this is from because I have this pencil for a very long time, and the brand name has came off. But anyway, for highlighter, I'm using Artist Couture highlighter in shade Summer Haze. Again, this came into my Boxycharm box. I am super obsessed over this highlighter right now. For lashes, I used Demi Wispies lashes in Ardell lashes in style Demi Wispies. For mascara, I've used Butter London Power Up mascara. This came into my Boxycharm box. For lip liner, I'm using MAC Cosmetics lip liner in shade STRIPDOWN, and I'm also going to fill my lips with the same lip liner before going in with the liquid lipstick. And for the liquid lipstick, which one I went for this time? I'm currently obsessing over Jeffree Star's liquid lipsticks. I believe I used I've used his one again, and this is the shade in called Celebrity Skin, and I use that to fill my lips. To set my face or everything in place, as usual, I use my NYX Cosmetics Dewy Finish Makeup Setting Spray, and that's it. Hope you guys like this look. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and if you want to see some particular look me using this eyeshadow palette, let me know. I'm happy to do that too, and I shall see you guys next time. Love you all. Take care. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.